RWS is currently hiring for remote AI training jobs that pay $15 an hour, are fully remote and require no experience. All you need is get yourself a static residential proxy. I'll leave the link on the description below so that you can get one. And in this video, I'm going to guide you on step-by-step guide on how you can create your account. And without wasting time, let us begin. You can see, join the RWS family. Our business is nothing without our people. We have a vibrant and innovative culture where everyone can learn, grow, and thrive. So guys, I'm going to show you the various opportunities they currently have. Discover your next opportunity. Every RWS story starts with an application. So these are the current openings. RWS global opportunities. You have to work for a company with global scale, global vision, and global understanding. We will give you the tools to succeed. Apply here for a range of corporate opportunities. Then they have localization opportunities, they have train AI opportunities. And before we continue, I want to show you that if you want to pass the English assessment, I can give you the answer. So all you have to do is text me on Telegram. I have all the answers. You can see the language test I passed with 35 out of 35 correct, and this is a proficient English user. So if you will need any of my help, DM me on Telegram. The link is on the description below. So we have localization opportunities and we have train AI opportunities. So today we are going to major on train AI projects. So search jobs. Let us wait for it to load. So after landing to RWS career page, we will be able to get various jobs through location type, location, team, and work type. If you want to choose by location, we have on-site, hybrid, and remote. And location, you can choose where you are residing. And maybe if you are applying outside the US and you want to work in the US, I can advise you to use a good static residential proxy, and I leave my link on the description below. You can use IPBurger. The link is on the description below if you want to work in the US but you live in a different country, because jobs in the US offer good pay. So you can use IPBurger. Link is on the description below. If you want to work by team, RWS, train AI, work type, part-time or temporary contract. So I believe you will be able to choose remote because you are working from home. So after we choose remote, we wait for the various available opportunities. So don't fail to work in the US because you are living in a different country. You can use proxy. And for the English assessment, I told you I can help you. See, I passed. Thank you for taking language assessment. You had 35 out of 35 correct questions. So don't stress yourself. You can text me on the Telegram. The link is on the description. So these are the available jobs. Future opportunities. Join our global train talent pool. If you want them to send you emails about the future opportunities, you can apply. Then we have AI data specialist Armenian. If you are from that country, you just need to click apply and see the various offers. AI data specialist Danish, Estonia, Finnish, Iceland, Irish, Alabama, US, remote temporary Montenegro, Alabama, Aramic, AI data specialist Bernese, AI data specialist from Florida, AI specialist Georgia, AI specialist Georgian, Hebrew, Illinois, AI data specialist lower US. Since I'm applying from the US, I'm going to choose either Florida or Georgia, US. But before we go for that, you can look for various available opportunities and see if your country or location is listed here. If it's listed here, well and good. If it's not, you can get a secure proxy to help you to apply for this job. So I'm going to apply for AI data specialist US, temporary contract remote. So what I'm going to do, I'll click apply. So after seeing your favorable job, you will just click apply. Then AI specialist US remote, temporary contract remote. We are looking for AI data specialist to support the improvement of AI generated content in English. Job type freelance, location work from home, work schedule part-time 10 hours per week, flexible work whenever you want, start immediately, duration to be confirmed, rate $15 per hour. Help shape the future of AI. Are you a student, recent graduate, stay at home parent, gig worker, or professional seeking flexible remote work? Are you interested in spanning the development of safety of today's AI models? What you will do: the role involves performing diverse data related tasks including data collection, evaluation and annotation, pairwise comparison, counting tasks, object tagging and labeling across different content types, audio, video, images and collected data. What you are looking for: English proficiency, fluent or advanced English, B2 or C2. So I told you they need B2 or C2, and these are the ranking. Like if you get 32 to 35, you will be very lucky, because they will be able to give you this chance. Like I got 35 out of 35. So in case you have any issue with passing your assessment, you can text me. AI data capabilities preferred: experience in one of the most following areas: machine learning tasks, data collection, processing, data evaluation and quality. What we offer: flexible schedule, opportunities to earn extra income, timely payment. The job is ideal for students, part-timers or stay at home. Vendor type: when applying, please select the option that best describes your working status. Are you a freelancer or private individual? A freelancer is someone who has business license or may have VAT number. That is a freelancer. Value added tax, that is. RWS embraces DEY and promotes the opportunity. So guys, after going through everything, you can click apply. So after clicking apply, I'm going to be fast to show you what to do. You can submit your resume. Then you can choose your resume here. After choosing your resume, your full name, email, phone number, current location, company, then your links here, then global train AI screening. What country are you currently from? If you are in the United States, you can choose United States here. What is your native language? You can choose here. Then have you worked in RWS part-time employee or full-time employee within the current calendar year? You can choose if you have not worked, but since I'm working with them, I can choose yes. But you will be able to choose according to if you've been working with them or it's your first time. What is your highest level of education? You can choose there. Have you worked on AI data services related project in the past? You can choose, but most cases you know yourself. So are you 18 years old? You can choose yes, because you can't do this work when you are a minor. Then are you a freelancer or individual? Freelancer if you have official registration, but if you don't have private individual, you can choose private individual. Are you able to invoice? Usually requires a VAT number, registered business number. No, because you are not a freelancer, you are a private individual. Select the option that applies. I'm a freelancer, I'm a registered freelancer without a VAT number. I have a registered company. I am not a freelancer. Yes, because we are not registered too. But you know yourself, if you are registered, you can choose between the two. Since when have you been in business? If you are enter, in this case, AI data specialist project Diamond. Are you available to work part-time 10 hours per week? Yes or no, you can choose. How would you describe your English level after passing your English? Like they will tell you had 35 correct out of 35. If you had maybe 8, they will tell you you are basic user. But if I had 35, I'm proficient user. So I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose a proficient user because I had 35 out of 35. Do you agree with the rate listed in the job description? Yes. So Meta Diamond, United States. If you are located in the United States, do you currently reside in one of the after that you submit your work. It's as simple as that, guys. If you have any question, write on the comment section below. You can join my Telegram channel for more updates, and till next time, goodbye.